Welcome to Compare to Win. The best Paula's Choice Retinol is probably one of the most talked about ingredients in skincare right now, and for good reason, as it's a powerhouse when it comes to tackling signs of aging, improving skin texture, and boosting overall radiance, making it a holy grail for many seeking a more youthful and luminous complexion. Number 5. Paula's Choice Clinical 1% Retinol Face Treatment. Introducing the Clinical 1% Retinol Face Treatment from Paula's Choice. This powerful serum is designed to target the visible signs of aging. It's formulated with a potent blend of ingredients to address fine lines and wrinkles. Experience a smoother, more youthful complexion with continued use. This treatment is enriched with peptides, vitamin C, and licorice extract. These ingredients work together to enhance skin's radiance and firmness. See a noticeable reduction in the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It helps to restore a more refined skin texture. Enjoy the benefits of advanced skincare without the irritation. This formula is fragrance-free, making it suitable for sensitive skin. Unlock your skin's potential for a revitalized look. This serum is your key to achieving a healthier, more radiant appearance. What we like. This potent treatment boasts a high concentration of retinol for maximum anti-aging impact. It also includes peptides and vitamin C to further enhance skin renewal and brightness. If you have stubborn fine lines and wrinkles and are looking for a powerful, targeted solution, this is the one for you. What people say. My skin has never felt so soft and smooth. The product is the perfect consistency and does not make my skin feel sticky. It absorbs relatively quick. In a couple weeks I have already noticed my skin is more smooth. Less fine lines, wrinkles, and brightening of some dark spots. I can tell it is stronger than other serums that I have used, since my skin is reacting similar to actual tretinoin. My 11s are much less obvious. My skin looks brighter and healthier. This product is intense but effective. Number 4. Paula's Choice Retinol Skin Smoothing Body Lotion. Discover the secret to beautifully smooth and revitalized skin. This powerful treatment is designed to transform your body's complexion. Experience the age-defying benefits of retinol, expertly formulated for your entire body. It works to reveal a more youthful appearance. Indulge your skin with the rich moisture of shea butter. It deeply hydrates and nourishes, combating dryness for a soft, supple feel. Fortified with essential vitamins C and E, this lotion provides antioxidant protection. It helps to brighten and even out skin tone. Designed for everyone, its gentle, fragrance-free formula is suitable for all skin types. Enjoy effective skincare without irritation. Say goodbye to dry, dull skin and hello to a radiant glow. This treatment effectively reduces dryness and enhances your skin's natural luminosity. What we like. Designed specifically for the body, this lotion delivers the benefits of retinol to larger skin areas. It's enriched with shea butter for deep hydration, making it perfect for dry, rough patches. If you're looking to address signs of aging on your body and combat dryness, this is an excellent choice. What people say. It's a moisturizing body lotion but also helps keep skin smooth and clear. Skin feels silky smooth and not greasy. It goes on non-greasy, soaks in quickly, there isn't any scent. The scent isn't overpowering, which is great, but it's not awesome either, it just is. But I don't usually care for scented lotions and whatnot as they do more harm than good. So would rather have the natural scent as long as it's not nasty. Number 3. Paula's Choice Resist Intensive Repair Face Moisturizer. Discover the Resist Intensive Repair Face Moisturizer from Paula's Choice. This powerful cream is designed to deeply hydrate and rejuvenate your skin. It's formulated with key ingredients like retinol and hyaluronic acid to combat the signs of aging. Experience smoother, plumper-looking skin with consistent use. Enriched with jojoba oil, it provides essential moisture to combat dryness and chapping. Your skin will feel soft and comfortable all day long. This anti-aging face cream works to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Reveal a more youthful and radiant complexion. We understand sensitive skin, which is why this formula is fragrance-free. It's gentle enough for daily use, even on dry or chapped skin. If you struggle with dry or chapped skin, this moisturizer is your perfect solution. It delivers intense hydration without any greasy residue. What we like. This product combines retinol with hydrating ingredients like hyaluronic acid and jojoba oil in a rich cream base. It's formulated to soothe and replenish dry, chapped skin while targeting aging concerns. If you have dry or sensitive skin that needs both anti-aging benefits and intense moisture, consider this option. What people say. Feels and works excellent, especially for very dry skin. The skincare ingredients in it are really a full routine in one pump. My skin is so much happier when I have this product versus when I run out. Super lightweight, softer, glowier, more moisturized throughout the day. Number 2. Paula's Choice Clinical 0.3% Retinol plus 2% Bakuchiol Serum. Discover the ultimate solution for aging skin. This powerful serum targets deep wrinkles and fine lines effectively. Experience the combined strength of 0.3% retinol and 2% bakuchiol. This unique formula works to rejuvenate your complexion. Infused with ceramides, hyaluronic acid, and vitamin C and E, it nourishes and protects your skin. Get a healthier, more radiant look. See a visible reduction in the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Achieve a smoother, more youthful-looking skin texture. Enjoy the benefits without irritation. Its fragrance-free formula is suitable for all skin types, even sensitive ones. Incorporate this serum into your daily routine for optimal anti-aging results. Reveal firmer, brighter, and more revitalized skin. What we like. This serum offers a unique blend of 0.3% retinol and bakuchiol, providing potent anti-aging results with potentially less irritation. It's packed with ceramides and hyaluronic acid to support the skin barrier and hydration. If you're seeking powerful wrinkle reduction but have concerns about retinol sensitivity, this is a great alternative. What people say. Made my face super shiny and glass-like. Makes a big difference and doesn't burn my skin off. I'm noticing lines disappearing or plumping up. Smooth, silky consistency. Number 1. Paula's Choice Resist Intensive Wrinkle-Repair Retinol Serum. Discover the power of our advanced anti-aging serum. It's formulated to target wrinkles and promote a smoother, more radiant complexion. Experience the benefits of potent retinol, a key ingredient in this powerful treatment. It works diligently to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. This serum is enriched with squalane, vitamin C, and vitamin E. These antioxidants help to protect your skin and enhance its natural glow. See a visible difference in your skin's texture and tone. It's designed to deliver effective anti-aging results for a more youthful look. Not only does it fight wrinkles, but it also provides essential hydration. Enjoy smoother, plumper-looking skin with consistent use. Incorporate this serum into your daily routine for a boost of radiance. It's the perfect addition to help your skin look its best. What we like. This serum is specifically targeted at reducing the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines with a potent retinol formula. It includes squalane to provide essential moisture and improve skin suppleness. If your primary concern is tackling deep wrinkles and you prefer a concentrated serum experience, this product is ideal. What people say. My skin is sensitive, but I didn't experience any irritation with this product, which is a big plus. Over time, I noticed that my skin became smoother and firmer, with a more refined texture. This routine leaves my middle-aged skin comfortable and smooth in the morning. When I fail to use it, my face and neck feels more dry, less comfortable. In just a short time, I've seen a remarkable improvement in the appearance of my large pores and oily skin, plus it's worked wonders on my fine lines. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.